Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Engine knocking is typically triggered by improper air-fuel mixture, causing uneven combustion. Using low-octane fuel in an engine that requires high-octane fuel can also cause knocking. Check your engine's ignition timing, as incorrect timing can be another culprit. Carbon deposits in the combustion chamber can increase compression and lead to knocking. Regular maintenance, using the correct fuel, and keeping your engine clean can help prevent this issue.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.